What role does JSON play in Python WebSockets? Imagine chatting with a friend across the world in real time. Now think about how your computer and the server exchange messages instantly. That's where WebSockets come in. They create a continuous connection for sending and receiving data without needing to reconnect each time. But how do they understand each other? That's where JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, steps into the spotlight. JSON is a simple, text-based format used to structure data so both sides can read it easily. When working with Python WebSockets, JSON acts like a universal translator. It turns Python objects into strings that can travel over the network. For example, if you want to send information like a user's name and score, you create a Python dictionary. To send it over a WebSocket, you turn that dictionary into a JSON string using the JSON dumps function. This makes the data easy to send as a string, which WebSockets prefer. When the message arrives on the other side, it's still a JSON string. You then use JSON loads to turn that string back into a Python object. This way, your code can easily access and work with the data. JSON helps keep communication clear and consistent. Both the server and client know they will be exchanging JSON messages with specific fields. For example, a server might send a message with a type field like update and some data. The client reads this JSON, figures out what it means, and responds accordingly. Because JSON is a text format, it works well across different programming languages. Your Python server can talk to a JavaScript client in a browser without any trouble. This makes JSON the go-to choice for WebSocket communication in web apps. When building real-time features, you usually decide on a standard message structure. For example, every message might have a type, field, and some data. This helps your code handle different message types smoothly. JSON also allows you to send complex data like nested objects or arrays. This means you can send entire application states or updates in one message. In automation and scripting, JSON makes it easy to interact with web APIs or coordinate between processes. You can write Python scripts that connect to WebSocket servers, send JSON commands, and process JSON responses. The workflow is simple. Prepare your data as a Python dictionary, convert it to JSON with JSON dumps, and send it through the WebSocket. When you get a message back, you turn it into a Python object with JSON loads, and work with it. Understanding how JSON fits into WebSockets is key to creating modern, real-time web applications with Python. It's the standard way to send structured data back and forth quickly and clearly.